we're the ones there when people need us the most. I'm Alan Hartle, Chief Executive Officer of Lenape Valley Foundation. The number of people we see is astounding. I mean, we're up to almost 12,000 people in the last fiscal year. Ultimately, what we do comes down to working with an individual. Like 1 out of 4 in the community are going to have issues that we can help you with. And they don't always know that there's somebody out there.
Lenape Valley Foundation is the primary provider of crisis services in Bucks County. We have several levels of service available to residents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are embedded in the emergency rooms of 3 hospitals, St. Mary Medical Center, Doylestown Hospital, and Lower Bucks Hospital. This year we added crisis services mobily for children starting July 1st. And so now we provide the mobile service not just for adults in our community, but we provide it for children as well.
I want people to know that we continue to provide quality care. We do so in a respectful and caring way, and that we intend to continue to do that for another 60 years.
The board we have today is just tremendous. They have been willing to roll up their sleeves in a very personal way and be our ambassadors in various community settings with various groups.
Lenape Valley Foundation provides a service that is highly needed in the community, and there's so much positive vibes coming out of the staff, and I think that reflects in the success they've had in helping people in the community.
There is so much more occurring today in the world that requires unique treatment and special treatment. And Lenape Valley is there with the right tools, the right people, the compassion, the caring that's necessary to handle these types of challenges.
I want others to know that it works, that getting help at Lenape works. If you're looking for somewhere to become philanthropic, consider Lenape. Lenape helps so many people on so many different levels in areas of this world that really need help, especially in mental health. So think about being that giving person and being giving to Lenape. It'll really pay off.
If you want to grow and thrive, Lenape Valley is the place to be.
So we got involved with Lenape Valley Foundation a long time ago when my son Brian was needing some assistance when he was younger, and we started with early intervention services, and we've worked with Lenape throughout the years with Brian, and he has become an independent individual, living on his own, realizing his dreams, and there are things that Brian is accomplishing that I truly believe that it hadn't been for Lenape that we would have been struggling in some of those areas. So it's been just a fantastic relationship with Lenape, and I know Brian really likes them.
When I was a little kid, I needed some help, so I went there with my mom to get some help, and they helped me to become the guy I am today. I work at the firehouse. I go on calls. I have my own fire gear, so I'm a fire rescue guy. And I like football, I like WWE, big fan of it, and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. And Lenape Valley, I like it.
I'm doing much better now that I'm coming to Lenape Valley Foundation than I've ever done before. I don't think I could have made this progress without the help of Lenape Valley Foundation. I actually have encouraged friends and family of mine seeking treatment to come here. I think it's the best place I've gone to for outpatient treatment. Okay, so one of my cats is Coconut, but she only responds to Coco. She's a tortoise shell. The other two I rescued from someone who was taking care of them. She's actually my emotional support cat. She knows when I'm not doing well, and she'll come up to me and just lay with me for me to pet her.
Lenape teaches us how to advocate for ourselves. If you can get out of your own way for a couple minutes and let us help you help yourself, you're gonna be fine. Lenape supported my idea of going back to Temple to get a journalism degree. I would say, I'm a reasonably intelligent, articulate kind of guy who's got a lot to say and cares a lot about people and wants other people to experience what I'm experiencing, which is life in recovery. It's not all happy, it's not all great all the time, it's challenging, but with the help of Lenape Valley Foundation, that challenge I'm more than willing to take on every day.